Look, did this man manage to cut down this big tree? This tree is very large, but the man still uses traditional tools to cut it down. It turns out this man is teaching us about patience. Imagine, if he used modern tools, this tree could be cut down in less than 10 minutes. However, with these tools, it takes 30 minutes. Friends, have we ever thought that purity of heart will help us understand the meaning of life better? Purity of heart is not easy to achieve. Honesty, not thinking badly of others, helping each other, not hurting others' feelings, and many other things. Purity of heart can only be obtained with a calm mind, and calmness can only be obtained by being grateful to God. How much energy did he use to do that? Look, he looks tired. Now imagine yourselves in that situation. What would you do? Would you remain patient, or would you call in a machine to cut down the tree? Every now and then, he would sigh, pausing for a moment to catch his breath as it became increasingly difficult to breathe. He seemed very patient in his efforts to cut down the tree manually. This is truly amazing. A good person is not measured by how much money they have, but by how patient they are. Do you all agree?